behind Liquid Death's meteoric rise was a brilliant marketing strategy spearheaded by its co-founder Mike Cessario. As a veteran of the music and beverage industries, Cessario knew Liquid Death would need a viral appeal and cult-like fandom to disrupt the bottled water industry. Through social media hype, controversies, and experimental marketing, Cessario built Liquid Death into a lifestyle brand for people who wanted to stay healthy in a cool way. Liquid Death's Instagram account has now over 1.4 million followers, with content featuring extreme sport athletes, musicians, and other influencers chugging cans in abnormal settings. Instead of traditional ads, their edgy, meme-worthy social content leads to user-generated promotions that further drives brand obsession and growth. Cessario also harnessed backlash against Liquid Death's aesthetic by turning controversies into more buzz. Negative reactions to the "Murder Your Thirst" tagline and gothic branding led to press coverage and chatter on social media. Public outrage equaled free advertising. All press is good press. While other brands pay influencers and celebrities for promotions, Liquid Death attracts them organically by building a brand culture people want to be associated with. The cans have become status symbols displaying proudly on social media. Liquid Death was never a bottled water company. They were always a marketing company that sold water on the side. So, that was the story of how Liquid Death became one of the world's fastest growing water brands in modern history. Thanks for watching Business Explored. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video, share, and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below.